Alright, welcome to deck 10, room C716, 714, it's in the back. Our door's unlocked already, medallion, walk in. So it's a basic interior room, excuse the mess here. But yeah, I just want to show you this stateroom, bathroom, toilet. It's a stand-up shower in here, showers and gels already included. In here, we get a really sizable closet, and then behind here is the safe with a few more shelves. Really nice. And then with the living area, we actually combined the two twin beds and pushed it off to the side with the help of our room steward. And over here, a really big TV for the size of the room. If you're wondering about the hair dryer, it's in here. And then mini fridge down in here in this guy. And a few more cabinets for storing clothes in the mirror. But the really cool thing is it connects with the room next door. Not all of them do, so please check the deck plans. We just had access to them, and then it's the same thing, same room over here. So really good because we're traveling 2 adults, 2 children. So 1 adult, 1 child, 1 adult, 1 child. So it's like having a 2-bedroom suite, kinda, sorta. But yeah, that's the room. Enjoy. And if you really like your room steward, don't forget to tip them a little bit more. Ours did an awesome job. Have fun, guys. Have a good cruise. Here's a quick tour of the laundromat. Washer dryer, a few of them here. Use your medallion, and it's $3 per wash or dry, so it's $6 total for a wash and dry. They give you a token, 1 token into here. 35 minutes from now we'll have a wash done. Another 30 minutes we'll have a whole load done. So about an hour to get everything done. No one else is here. Iron your clothes if you want to. Let's go. So here is washing machine. How to pay for it, just press start, $3. Let's do 1 for dryer. Purchase now. You need your medallion up here. Go through. There we go. You get 1 token. Put it into here. This is the dryer cycle. And ready to go. And it's going now. See you in 30 minutes.